We were given so much, the only planet in this solar system with life. I mean, we are 1 in a million. No, actually, scientifically, we are 1 in a billion, trillion. That's a 1 followed by 33 zeros. We are perfectly positioned to the sun so we don't burn, but not too distant so we don't turn to ice. We are family, literally everything, every species is connected genetically, and this is what we must recognize before it's too late, because the real crisis is not global warming, environmental destruction, or animal agriculture. It is us.